Hello students, today's topic is pie chart. Pie chart in the data and this is the topic pie chart. What is pie chart? Then representation of data on circle. Representation of data on circle is called pie chart or circle graph. It means now we have to represent the data in the form of circle or they are in the form of sector of the circle. Understood? So let us see how we will draw a pie chart from given information of the data. See the question. Mode of transport used by 300 students are given below. Draw a pie chart for the data. It is given mode of transport. These are the bus, car, bike and others. Number of students in bus is 100, in car 60, bike 90 and others it is 50. So this is the given information of the data of 300 students. We have to draw a pie chart. So how we will do it? Let us see. For this, first we have a table to form a central angle of the following data. Let us see. So first of all we draw a table like this. Mode of transport, number of students and in the last bit take one more, that is for central angle. Now bus number of student 100, cars 60, bike 19, others it is 50. Total it is 300. Now how will find the central angle? Okay, so for bus there is the 100 students, then 100 divided by total, it means what? 300. So 100 by 300 into 360. Let us repeat. Number of students in bus is what? 100. So 100 divided by total means 300 into 360. After calculation it is given 120. Got it? For car it is 60. So 60 upon total it is 300 into 360. Then it gives you 72. The next for the bike 90 it is given. 90 by 300 into 360 equal to 108 degree. Now the others it is given 50. The 50 and total it is 350 by 300 multiplied by 360. It gives you 60 degree. Now we have to represent on a circle in the form of sector. Got it? So we will draw a circle and measure the angle with the help of protractor. Understood? See. First we draw a circle of any radius. This is the circle and the first it is given 120 degree. With the help of protractor we take it 120 degree. It is 120 degree. The first mode of transport is the bus, which angle is 120 degree. With the help of the protractor we draw a angle of 120 degree. Now for car it is 72 degree. So from we take the protractor here and measure the 72 degree. Here we put the protractor in this line and we measure 72 degree. So it is 72 degree angle for the car. Now for bike it is 180 degree. So we will put the compass on this line and measure 108 degree. Here we will put the protector here and measure 108 degree. So it is 108 degree. With the help of protector we will draw it. The rest what it is left there, that is for others. No need to measure it because this is the last. So the last it is others, that's angle is 60 degree and it is the last, so there is no need to measure it. This is the 60 degree. So this is the 60 degree for the others. So this is the complete diagram of the given information. For the pie chart. Understood? So whenever it is given the data for pie chart, so first of all we draw the central angle. We calculate the central angle. How? Total it is downside and what the particular information of the data is upper side and just multiplied by 360. Understood? Here we having now this one. First of all we draw the first of all we calculate the central angle. This one 100 by 300 into 360. This time we will calculate the central angle and after that we will draw this circle. Got it? Thanks.